Stop, and now it's videoing right now. And then you can just, should be able to just look through that thing. Maybe well, you want to kiss, don't you?
You are being a lovely Devin. He's going to start getting closer and closer and more lovable now. It's odd that she didn't go in first.
Oh, did you see me hand that grape over?
What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How you doing? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to see you. Nice to see you, buddy.
What are you doing? Are you being a monkey? Are you being a little monkey?
Good kid.
Me? Never a monkey?
Are you being a little monkey?
Okay with me?
Are you being a monkey?
Come on. Want another good?
Finished. I'm finished.
Well, you saw that, didn't you? You saw that. You saw that too. Annie, come say hi. Come say hi, sweetie.
Go say hello.
Yeah.
Go say hello. Next time when he comes to you and he does that, just blow softly. Go.
Okay.
A little bit harder.
Oh no, that's too precious.
How do you not just spend it all day in here? Do you sometimes?
No, I don't make enough time.
You don't have enough time?
I don't make enough time.
That makes sense. Annie,
I should spend a lot more time. Where are you?
Annie, come here. Uh-oh.
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 Doesn't miss a thing. You're the sweetest.
Okay, I can just stop it for now. We can always type